Build OS Android v8.0 Oreo. UIMU 8.0. Dimensions 150.1 by 72.1 by 7.5 mm. Weight 165 grams. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors black, blue, gold, rose gold. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU octa-core, 4x2.36 GHz Cortex-A53 plus 4x1.7 GHz Cortex-A53. Chipset HiSilicon Kirin 659. GPU Mali T830 MP2. Display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.7 inches. Resolution 1080 by 2160 pixels, 427 ppi. Memory built-in 32 GB built-in, 3 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB, uses SIM 2 slot. Camera main dual 13MP plus 2MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 8MP, f/2.0. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP, LA. GPS Yes plus a GPS support and GLONASS, BDS. USB microSD. NFC No. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/EAC plus/WAV/FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch No. Extra front glass plus aluminum body, photo, video editor, document editor. Battery capacity, LiPo non-removable, 3000 mAh. Fast battery charging.